Well, today I'm making pickled eggs, and this is good old-fashioned country style. So you hard-boil your eggs, and you put it in an old pickle jar, just like this. And then you take a can of beets with the juice and everything, and you put it into a saucepan. What you want to add to there is about a cup of vinegar, and you bring that till it's just about to boil. Now, the trick is with your hard-boiled eggs is you got to peel them while they're still hot. So don't put the ice water on them after you're done hard boiling them. You can probably see that there's some condensation here because the eggs are still hot, because you want the eggs hot so that the pickle juice, the beet juice and the vinegar gets soaked into the egg. And these things are awesome. So all you do is, this is hot, it's good and hot now, and I'm going to turn that burner off. Pour it right in on top of those eggs, just like this. Now that's just the juice, and you're going to get the chunks of the beets. Put those in there, and you let it sit overnight as best, or at least for 3 or 4 hours. And about every 15 or 20 minutes with these, what you will do is just flip them around so that you get a nice even coating of that beautiful purple color on the eggs. And when I finish putting the beets in here, I'm going to put the lid on this old pickle jar. That way I can turn it to make sure it's going to see. Right now you can see white on the eggs. So the reason for turning it is so that you have a nice, perfect pickled egg without a big old white blotch in there. It's kind of like dyeing eggs, but different. Try this recipe and let me know how you like it. That's good old-fashioned country style pickled eggs.